Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to bring you the completed journal that we have made in the series. Now this journal was made using the Sewing Bird paper pad by Tilda, and it is going to be for a giveaway. So, you know, hopefully kind of you've followed along with the series and you're familiar with it. And what I'm going to do now is give you details of how to enter the giveaway and also do a complete flip through of the finished journal. So the journal is made from an A4 envelope, obviously folded kind of in half. The cover is a fabric cover. It's got lace trim and it's got one of my little button embellishments, a fabric flower and another flower there, and it ties here with this beautiful organza ribbon. And going inside the journal, so if you have followed along, obviously you will have seen all of this, so there's probably no point waffling on what's where because you will have seen it. So I'm just going to literally kind of do a flip through. So obviously we've got here a little tuck spot and a tag in there, various elements, and here we have a pocket. I've left lots of the pockets and tucks empty for whoever wins the journal to be able to fill them with their own things. So going over the page, we have got this little folding kind of flip booklet thing, which also is a little pocket here, so you can obviously tuck something up there, and that obviously just ties together here with the string. And then on the next page we have got here a little cluster, various objects layered up, and you've got a little tag here with kind of a smaller tag attached, held together with a bulb pin. That just literally slots in there. Then going over the page here, we've got a book page pocket with various elements layered up. We've got some lace trim and a button embellishment. And you've got obviously the pockets here, and I think I did it, yes, with a pocket at the bottom as well. So again, plenty of room for popping photos, memorabilia and things. Then we've got some blank pages for journaling. You've got a doily page and more blank pages there. On this page you've got a little cluster here in the corner and some lace trim, and then we have this little piece which we made in the last video, which is just a kind of print out here with some layered up elements. That just slots in there like that. And then going over the page, we've got here a corner tuck spot, and obviously again layered up elements, and in there is a little tag, which again I just kind of, or a journaling card, which I just printed off and made this, and then layered up some elements here. That just tucks up like that. On this page we've just got the lace, and then we've got this gorgeous little chipboard tile which we made during the process videos. And then going over the page we've got here a little pocket with these elements from the pad, and a little fabric ruffle, some lace and some flowers, little bow, and a doily there. So again, obviously you could tuck something in there like that. Then we've got some plain pages here again, and another doily, and then some sheet music, more plain pages, little thread spool print out there that I've just popped on the page. And then on this page you've got here one of my little laminated pieces. So you've got some lace trim and various elements and the mason jar, and this is a double tuck, so you've got one here. In fact, I'll do it with this one so you can see better. One here and then one behind it, so you've got a kind of double pocket there. And then going over the page, this is the center of the signature. So really pretty page, I love this paper. And you've got here a pocket down the side with lots of elements layered up, some lace trim, and then this gorgeous little journaling card which I've just layered up some elements there, journaling on the back, and that just tucks in like that. And then on this side you've just got a kind of folding flip which is made from an envelope, some cluster of elements down here, and obviously a cluster of elements on there. That just is like that. And then here you've got a pocket page with more elements layered up. You've got some buttons, lace, fabric ruffle, and then tucked in there is another little journaling card that we made together with some layered up elements there. Then you've got some more plain pages, some book page. These are coffee dyed, some sheet music, doily, more plain pages. And then here you've got one of my little envelope. I nearly called it an elephant something then. So an envelope little flip out here. So obviously you could, you know, pop in some folded pages and make that more into a booklet, or you could just keep it as an envelope. You've got layered up images on the front. So I love how this journal's turned out. It's really pretty, really girly, beautiful, beautiful colours. So yeah, really, really like it. And hopefully you've all kind of really enjoyed it too. Here we've got an altered paper clip, which is just some velvet trim and some lace and a little bow. And that's holding this gorgeous great big tag on, and this is a fabric tag and layered up elements there and some lace trim, and that just literally clips on here like that. Then here we've got a large corner tuck pocket and various elements all layered up, and then it's got this gorgeous envelope with some other layered up elements, or not layered up elements, sorry, die cut elements and a flower. This one acts as a little like a stopper for the envelope flap, and then inside there you've just got another journaling card with just a little sewing machine on there. So that just tucks in like that and then goes in there. And then on the next, oops, got some glue hanging there for some reason, it had stuck that to that. On the next page we've got this gorgeous image from the book with a little zipper and some lace down the side and a little organza bow. So really, really nice page, very simple but really lovely colours, really, you know, looks very effective. And that is a little tuck spot, so you can obviously tuck things behind there. Then you've got some more coffee stained pages there, some doily, another coffee stained page. And then on this page we've got one of the folding kind of flip ups. So it's just like that. So you've got more room under here for photos or journaling, obviously under there. And then this, loved how this turned out. Really, really loved the colours together. The kind of greeny colour and the lilac-y purple, just really, really pretty. And then a wooden kind of chipboard tile at the bottom and some lace trim at the top. And then going over the page we have got here a little cluster, which is also, oops, also a little kind of tuck spot. So you could obviously kind of tuck something in there like that. You've got some lace trim going down the edge. So that's that. And then on this page you've got another one of those kind of folding flip kind of arrangements. I don't really know what you'd call that. And it's just got, again, a bit of measure tape and a mason jar, a little butterfly, and then a couple of bits of lace on there and a little journaling spot. So really pretty. And then going over the page here, we've got, this is an envelope with layered up elements on the front, and it's got a little junk journal paper flower here. It's got some lace trim down the side, little flower there, and it's acting as a little kind of pocket or a tuck spot, and also it's a pocket at the top, so you could have that as a kind of double pocket like that. And tucked in there is, again, another one of my little printed out pieces of ephemera, which I've just popped on some of my little images there, and a flower that just goes in there. And then here on the back cover, oops, that flower's become bent up, so I might just have to glue that down because I don't want that getting any more damaged. So I'm just going to literally pop a little bit of hot glue there because I don't want that getting damaged. So here you've got some lace trim, you've got the zipper and a little printed out sewing machine. Then you've got this little folding kind of booklet, which just opens. It should do. Perhaps I glued it down. Right, opens out like that. So lots of room in there for journaling, photographs and what have you. And then it just literally tucks in again behind here. And then you've got a row of buttons, and I think this is a tuck spot somewhere, yes, at the top. So you've got that also as a little pocket at the top if you wanted to pop something else in there. So that's the completed journal, and obviously on the back it's just kind of that plain fabric, other than the kind of bits of lace on there. So really pretty, really girly journal, really love it. Very pleased how it turned out. So details for entry. Now I was wondering how to do the giveaway. Obviously I was tempted to just kind of print out everyone who had commented on the videos, you know, in the series, and do the draw from that. However, I didn't think that that was necessarily fair on people who have followed the series and who haven't commented, because obviously, you know, the series has had a fair amount of views, and obviously, you know, the comments don't necessarily reflect how many people have watched the videos, if that makes sense. So I want to give everybody who would like to win it a fair chance of winning it. So in that case, what I propose to do, if it's okay, when this video is uploaded, obviously, if you just make a comment on this video, so comment, you know, below, you know, just literally comment perhaps, you know, something that you would love to see in a journal, you know, a theme or something like that, or your favorite colors for a journal, you know, something like that, something journal related. So either a theme that you would love to kind of see, or, you know, love a series of process videos done on, or a color theme, you know, color scheme or something like that for some journals. You know, something kind of journal related kind of below. When I ran a giveaway once before, I'd kind of said if you could comment below, and I actually felt incredibly, you know, humbled and embarrassed, kind of, because it felt like I was kind of asking for compliments, and that's not kind of obviously what I'm doing here. So, you know, it's really kind of about what you would love to see in a journal. You know, kind of obviously people have done the Jane Austen themed journals and things like that. So, you know, kind of, yeah, that's kind of more what it's about, really. And yeah, so if you comment below, and then what I will do, I will obviously print off all of the comments, you know, at the end, and then I will do the draw on the 8th of September. So that is Saturday the 8th. So it's literally a week Saturday. So I'm hoping to upload this video later today, or it possibly will be tomorrow now. So that's about 10 days time. And yeah, that's when I will do the draw. So yeah, that's kind of all the details really that are required. And yeah, I hope that kind of everybody loves it. I really am pleased with it. And yeah, good luck to all of those who enter. So thanks very much for following along with the series, and thanks very much in advance if you are going to enter. So thanks a lot and have a great day. Thanks, bye.